Welcome to the Lee Weekly Spotlight, presented by Landmark Insurance Group. I'm Kensington Wheeland.
And I'm Carmen Lastoria. Today we'll begin with Josiah Brooks as he became the first Lee track and field athlete to earn National Athlete of the Week honors. Brooks opened the outdoor season with a bang this past weekend for the Flames during the Yellow Jacket Invitational hosted by Georgia Tech. The junior finished second in the 200-meter dash with the top time in the NCAA Division II this year and was also the top collegiate finisher in the 100-meter. To cap off the weekend, Brooks also posted the top triple jump mark in the nation this year with a leap of 15.41 meters. Brooks' triple jump mark ranked 6th among all collegiate performers this past weekend, while his 200 time tied for 9th. What a showing for Josiah Brooks.
Absolutely.
What an athlete.
Absolutely. Love to see that. He's always a popular one. In a season chock full of firsts, the Lee Lacrosse team added another milestone victory on Saturday afternoon in winning its first Gulf South Conference game in program history with a 2011 drubbing of rival Shorter on Saturday afternoon. The Lady Flames improved to 6-4 overall and 1-3 in the GSC thanks to 4 goals apiece by Emma Hill and Becca Broadwick.
Yeah, what a start for the Lee Lacrosse team. You know,
Love
it has been a year of first for the second-year program as they've gotten their first win, first road victory, first GSC victory. Great job.
Definitely. Hard work paying off, ladies. Keep it up.
Moving on to the Lee baseball team, they took 2 of 3 last weekend at Union. Wes Albert was a big reason for that. He pitched a gem in Game 1 to give Lee a 3-0 victory. The senior has posted an impressive 1.30 ERA in 27 2/3 innings of work this season. The Flames are 12-14 overall and an even 6-6 in the GSC.
The men's tennis team went 2-1 during a busy week. The Flames defeated Alabama Huntsville 7-2 last Wednesday before rallying for an exciting 5-4 win over Southern Indiana on Friday. The men lost a close battle with North Alabama 5-4 on Sunday. The Flames are 8-4 overall and 2-3 in conference play.
And let's take a look at the women's side. The Lady Flames topped UAH on Thursday 6-3 before falling to North Alabama on Sunday. The Lady Flames are 7-3 overall and 4-2 in the GSC, so a good start as well for the Lee women's tennis team.
The softball team dropped 2 of 3 at Union last weekend. Both losses were just by a single run. Taylor Moran continued to swing a hot bat with 6 hits in 3 games. Lee won Game 2 of the series 22-2, scoring 14 runs in the 5th inning. The Lady Flames are 14-6 overall and 6-9 in the GSC.
Yeah, how about that? 22-2. That's not a score you see very often. The Lady Flames getting the bats going.
Yeah, I love to see that.
In men's soccer news, Coach Derek Pottinger has announced the hiring of a new assistant coach. Tori Strickland will join his staff beginning this season. He comes to Lee after a successful playing career for Coach Pottinger at Gordon College in Boston. After graduating in 2016, Strickland served on staff at Brown University as an assistant coach and was also a coach for a top club team in the New England Revolution.
That will do it for this week's edition of Lee Weekly Spotlight. For Carmen Lastoria, I'm Kensington Wheeland. Have a great week and go Flames!